All right, folks, so what we got here is a Chevy Equinox, a 2019 Equinox LT. It's an all-wheel drive with a 1.5 turbo motor. Today we're going to change the air filter. STP brand from AutoZone is a SA12260. Okay, notice that this filter has a little tab. I'm going to explain to you where that tab is going to go. So basically right here, there's 4 screws to it. It is 7 millimeters. Okay. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, 4 in the corners. 1 in each corner. All right. You don't have to remove the wire. You don't have to remove the plug. It's going to lift up nice and easy. Okay. The hose is still attached to it, so it's going to go only a certain amount. Okay, like that. Enough for you to grab that filter and drag it out. So when you lift it out, okay, besides all the dirt that you see in there, we're gonna have to vacuum that or blow it out. This here is the filter. See the little tab? The tab is gonna go towards the windshield. All right, flip this way. For some reason, this one has like a little piece of foam, and that's what the new one has too. All right, but it is filthy. It's got stuff all over it. It's time to go. All right, so let's get rid of this old filter. Chuck it out of the way. So there's several things you could do to get that dirt out. You can either vacuum it out. Richard makes a great little tool over here, battery operated, 18 volt. Then you got the one that blows it out. So I sucked out as much as I can with the big leaves and stuff, and the rest of it with the sand and everything, I just blew it out. All right, so after that, comes out nice and clean. Okay, if you want to get a little detail, you can go in there with the cleaner and all that stuff. But it's good. It's not going to go anywhere because it's got to bypass this. All right, so remember that little tab? That little tab actually fits in this little tiny thing here. Okay, so it's going to go under and fit in. Let me see if I can hold this for you. This up out of the way. This is going to sit in here like that. Okay, little tab is going to point right there into this little slot. Then this whole assembly is just going to sit right on. I'm going to screw back into 4 screws. All right, that's it. That's it. Make sure that is nice and firm. And we're just going to spin these little bugger on, and then you're good to go. Okay, you guys want to see me putting these screws on? Sure. Hang on, I need my other hand here to push it in. All right, a little tip. This one in the corner towards the headlight is the hardest one to catch. So I recommend you catch that one first. Then the other ones fall right in. Because if you snug up the other ones, you can't get to that one because there's some kind of an angle right there with the radiator support. And you're going to need, of course, 2 hands to wiggle it in. So yeah, definitely get that one in first. Get it into a couple of threads. And then the rest falls right in. All right. That's it. I'm just double checking all the bolts. Good to go. Make sure you didn't knock anything off.